it's been a long time. It's been years since the last time I posted a new video. I'm so sorry for that. I haven't had the time to post or to film a new video because of my extreme busy schedule, my university, working, internships and everything. But hey, now I made it. I'm making time to make a new video. It's because I moved to Berlin. That's why I made this new video, which is a room tour of my new room in Berlin. I'll show you guys around. Okay, so basically I lived in the WG. It's basically the same like where I used to live in Leipzig as well. It's a Wohngemeinschaft and it's a nice way to share the cost of the whole apartment with some other people. And anyway, let me show you my room. Now it has been a month since I moved in here, and when I got this room was not furnished at all, so it was empty. I had to buy new furniture, I had to paint the walls. So basically it was all empty, and then I managed to turn it into my safe space. Everything's here in my room are secondhand. I didn't buy any new furniture. So let's start from here. This one I bought it at eBay Kleinanzeigen for €5. I remember I had to bring this with a tote bag. I used it to hang my coats, my jackets, some of my bag, also some hats. And then down here, in German it's called Wäschekorb. I forgot what it's called in English, but I got this one for free. So a tip for you, on eBay Kleinanzeigen, of course you can buy secondhand stuff, but at the same time you can get stuff for free as well, and it's called Zuverschenken. So I was scrolling to the Zuverschenken, and then turns out someone was giving a Wäschekorb for free, and it's exactly white as well. So I texted them and they were like, yeah, pick it up right now. And then I went there, pick it up. I had to bring this with the bus, so I was holding it like this the whole time, and I was like, But I mean, look at this. How cute is this? It's huge, and then it's clean as well. And then next to it, I put my gym bag, and then also my other bag, and then I put some of my towels here. And behind there, if you can see, that's my iMac box. The only thing that I don't like about my apartment is that I don't have a basement. So basically, all of my stuff, I have to put it here in my room. And then I try my best not to bring so many stuff, especially some of my luggages. I don't know where to put it, but then I tried to fit it in this room. I know you guys can't see it, but I'll show you where I hide them. Anyway, so we're gonna start with the next one. I love this corner as well. This one, I got that one at eBay Kleinanzeigen as well for €15. And then I put like some of my skincares. These are the skincares I usually use. I put like my perfumes here as well, and then back there I put my makeup that I usually use. And then this is my jewelry box. I got this at the local flea market. What's funny as well, this jewelry box, it was actually €40, and then I was with my friend there and we tried to negotiate, and then at the end we got it for 20. And then I got this at the flea market at Mauerpark. It's a really huge flea market in Berlin. It's really famous for the flea market as well. I would recommend you to go there every Sunday. It's nice. So I put like all of my rings, my earrings, my glasses, some stuff here as well. And then I got some of samples colors as well. I got them from a Baumarkt and I got them for free. Basically, these are the colors that I want for my room. And then I just put it there. And it fits to the painting of my favorite painter. And then next we have this beautiful table and also the chair. For the chair, I got this on eBay Kleinanzeigen as well for €5. And I had to bring this chair as well with me with the public transportation. Just imagine we're like in the public transportation, and then someone came, brought the chair with them, and then just sit in the middle. And it was me. And then I got this table at eBay Kleinanzeigen as well for €15. And then I put some plants there as well. And then after that I just put some flowers, and then also some motivations for me when I'm studying, so I will be focused. And then this beautiful lamp. Of course I got it from the eBay Kleinanzeigen as well. I bought this one for €25. Before it was €45, and then I was basically negotiating with the person, and then he was like, yeah, take it for 25 then. And I was like, okay, I'm coming then today. And turns out this is extremely heavy. I had to bring this with the public transportation as well. And then for real, after that, I don't have to do sport anymore. It was crazy, but it was worth it. It was worth it. And then my favorite spot as well, it's the little cute sofa, it's the little cute sessel, it's a little cute chair. Do you call this chair a sofa or Sessel in German? But anyway, I really like the color. The color suits my room so much, and I got this for free. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And then moving on to the next part, I bought this plant for 40 euros at the Baumarkt. This sideboard I got it for free also from eBay Kleinanzeigen. And then the television, I brought it with me from Leipzig. I put most of my books there. Lille is basically my favorite drink, and I just put it as a decoration. I actually bought some really long candles. I'm running out of them. I need to go back to IKEA and buy a new one. And then I just put a box there, and then also my other plant, and also with some of my baby's plant. And I put most of my sweaters there, and then some of my makeups, cables, and I'm really into impressionist paintings. And then now I also have a small impressionist museum in the corner. I bought the postcards for 50 cents or 75 cents, and then I collect everything and then I just hang it there. And then here you go, and this is my bed. My bed, I got it from eBay Kleinanzeigen as well for 35 euros. And then the last piece is this beautiful mirror. This mirror, I got it at eBay Kleinanzeigen as well for 40 euros. Like before, actually, I was aiming for another mirror from IKEA. It's called the Hovet. The Hovet mirror is a lot bigger than this. I like bigger mirrors. Especially, it's good to see your outfit, and then it just looks nice in your room. But I'm really happy with this one as well because it's white. It fits my room. And then I just put some plants here next to the mirror, so everything will look nice. I also have this carpet. I got this one for free as well from eBay Kleinanzeigen. So I got this one and the sideboard together, and then the person gave it to me for free. And then basically this carpet is huge. It's almost 3 meters long, but I put everything like under the bed, so basically you can't really see it. Talking about bed, I put all of my luggage under my bed. So basically under my bed right now I have so many clothes that I have. For example, now it's still winter, but the summer is coming anytime soon, so most of my summer clothes are down there. How much is it I'm paying for my room here in Berlin? I'm paying around 500 euros monthly, and it's already everything included: gas, water, electricity, everything. Where my apartment is located is also really central. I live in Kreuzberg, which is a really nice neighborhood in Berlin. So I would say that's all for my video. I hope you guys like it, and let me know if you want me to film other videos. Just let me know, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye!